show you, I've just finished up my gym session. There's a treadmill here. We've got time to film, and I've never really done a little segment on why I dislike the treadmill so much. I'm going to show you quickly why. I'm going to jump on it. One of the main things that I don't like about the treadmill is the fact that you are really pounding your knees on this hard belt. Like when you go outdoors, maybe you get a bit of cushioning, but even then when you're on concrete, it's still the same sort of action. But I'm just going to put this up a little bit, and what you're going to see is just focus on my feet and my knees, and just kind of listen to my joints taking a real pounding on this machine. And it's got great benefits. It's a good cardio, obviously, session to get your heart rate racing. This is why I prefer using the skipping rope, because it allows you to be nimble, works more body muscles, it works the mind, it works the brain. Again, at 8 kilometers an hour, I'm trying to run gently, I'm trying to land softly on the balls of my feet, but just listen to the sound. My knees are kind of, I can already feel my knees just not feeling too good. Trying to stay on the balls of my feet here, look. And if I increase the speed, just listen to the sound. There's a lot of pounding going on. Stop this. Right. Oh. Whereas with the skipping rope, if I've got enough space here on the ceiling, I can stay nimble, I can stay light on my feet, and I'm getting as much burn, even more burn, in terms of calories and working more muscles. So, I'm going to hopefully not get a little bit of clip here, but breaking everything. But listen how light my feet are. And even when you rank it up, you can go fast, you can go slow, stay light on your toes and get the same kind of benefit as a treadmill, even more like I say so. Rather than back on the kryptonite that is a treadmill, what I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to use the treadmill to get the heart rate. It's not really accurate, but I'm trying to get my heart rate. Then I'm going to do a minute of double unders, jump back on the treadmill, check my heart rate. I'm going to show you the impact you can have with just 1 minute of pure clean double unders. So if you come pretty close in here, so I've got my hands on the heart rate monitor right now. Alright, so heart rate is showing 97. So obviously I've just been doing a workout, so that's why the heart rate is quite high anyway, but I'm going to do now 1 minute of double unders, or what I do is I do 50 double unders straight, maybe 60 double unders straight. So let's check it out. Let's go.
9 p.m. staying Glock. 10 p.m. 2 11s on Devin and 12 I'm around that we ain't cop. 1 a.m. Wayne Block. 2 a.m. same.
60 double unders. Gonna quickly jump back on here. Let's get the heart rate moving. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 132. 132 guys, and that is unreal. Like, that is the pure test. Within 50 double unders, it's already shot up by 40 BPM per minute. So now I'm going to do the same test, 30 seconds running on the treadmill, and let's see if we can get to the same BPM per minute now. Let's just rank up to about 10. Move. 108. Right, so 108, I was running at 10 kilometers an hour, which I think is like the average that most of you guys will be running at. 30 seconds of double unders versus 30 seconds of treadmill, unreal. Like, that's why you guys need to get on double unders, that's why you need to get your skipping ropes and just learn how to burn fat quickly by using these HIIT techniques. So hope you guys like that little segment. This is like a cool little cardio segment, I'm enjoying this. This is not running versus skipping, guys. You guys, I've never said that running is bad for you. It's more a case of just treadmills, and I feel that you guys need to take care of your knees, and that's why I'm always trying to promote this form of exercise. Loving the proof, loving the science, get your ropes, start skipping.
Through the storm